everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a little eye tutorial using the new Morphe and James Charles palette. I finally got my hands on this. This is what it looks like on the inside. It is absolutely beautiful. All these bright colors and then some nice neutral shades. And you got that middle row with all those colors to kind of help build whatever look that you're wanting to create. So if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. But before we get into anything, a few housekeeping things. Hit that subscribe button and join this family. Click that bell getting the notifications when I post new videos, and click that like button letting me know you're liking the stuff that I'm putting out. So without wasting any more time, let's get into this cute look. What's up? So now we dealing with this cute little palette right here. This is the James Charles and Morphe collaboration. The what is it called? Build Your Inner Artist, something like that. So obviously this is what the inside of the palette looks like. It's so pretty. Got this big row in the middle of all these beautiful shades, and then you got all of this color going on right here. So I'm going to be creating a look using this palette. So we're going to start off with, obviously, let me put on my base, which is the P. Louise, if you can see this. There you go. You see the P. Louise base. I've been loving this base. I highly recommend it. So I'm going to put a little bit on my eyes right now. Okay, so now I've got my P. Louise base on. Boom, 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 boom. We're going to start into this palette. It's a powerful magnet. So we'll start with my, my trusty Morphe brush. Sorry, not Morphe. BH Cosmetics brush. I'm going to start with I'm going to go in with this really light pink shade and kind of get my transition started. Now obviously as I use this color, it's not going to show up, so it's just kind of helping to set this base a little bit so it doesn't move anywhere. But that's kind of what I'm using this for. It does have a little kick up, but again, not that big of a deal. Alright, so now we're going to go into, now obviously, I've been watching all the videos, so obviously this shade right over here, this shade right here, which is Skip, that one, it has been really controversial. Personally, I think Homegirl overreacted just a little bit, but that's just my opinion. So I'm going to dip into Skip right there. And I'm going to build this up. That's color. Okay, so I've built up Skip, and so now I'm going to go into, I'm going to go into this deep purple right here and deepen this up some. going to take I'm gonna use this e.l.f. brush. I'm gonna dip into that purple and kind of, you know, do what I normally do. Okay, so obviously I'm gonna go off camera, put on my tacky primer, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I done put some primer on my eyes, and so now I'm about to pop into some of these sparkly colors. So I think I'm going to go here, whoops, pick up my brush. I'm gonna go into this sparkly purple shade right here and pop this on the outer portion of my lid. Alright, so now I've done that, and now I'm going to take another flat brush. I'm going to go into this blue shade right here and put this on the inner portion of my lid. Okay, so I've done that, and so now I'm going to take my trusty Morphe E36 brush, spray it, and go back into that blue shade and take that on the bottom inner portion of my lid. Okay, so I've done that, and so now I'm going to clean off that brush. I'm going to pop on that color and put it in my inner corner. Okay, so now I'm gonna go off camera, finish all this up, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the finished look using the Morphe and James Charles palette. So again, I'll show you the inside so you can see what it looks like. Obviously, this is a very, very pretty palette. So far, I really like this palette. I used this one other time when I initially got this, and I really like the look that I created. So far, I mean, the colors in here work beautifully. The mattes, as you can see, work really, really nicely. I didn't have any issues with them. Now, this purple right here, I'm not even gonna lie, it's a little crumbly. So if you're gonna go into it, be wary that it's gonna kind of crumble a little bit all over the place. But I mean, once you get it on the lid, it's fine. Just make sure you're using a tacky base so that it can pop on nicely, because it's more of like a pigment with glitter in it rather than like a glitter per se, so just keep that in mind. But I use Skip on my eye. So far it's fine. As you can see, it worked really pretty. I was able to build on top of it, so that wasn't really that big of an issue. But other than that, excuse me, I really like this palette. It's a really nice palette. So if you like this look, comment down below. Obviously, if you really like this video, click that like button, and then also hit that subscribe button so you can join this family. And until next time, guys, deuces.